If you feel like you're wasting your time at work and not really living the life that you want, think about this. Am I working because I need to? Am I working because I want to? Because what a lot of people do is they forget that the only reason they're working is to supplement the life that they actually want. What we end up doing is we make work our pure focus and we say, I want to get this far in my career and accomplish all these things. But why? Because if you didn't have to work, there is very little chance that you would. You would do things that you enjoy and things that make your life happy. But if you had all the money in the world, what would you be trying to run social media campaigns for? What would you be doing admin work for? You just wouldn't. So if you didn't have to work, what kind of life would you actually be living? When you figure that out, then you can put those things on top and say, okay, now instead of focusing on my career, I can focus on this and find a job which is going to let me do that. For example, if you want to travel the world and do lots of amazing things, you can work really hard so that you can go on 3 holidays a year and travel a little bit. Or you can just work as a flight attendant and go around the world as much as you want. Yeah, I know money is a part of it, but do you want the money or do you want travel? That's where you have to find the balance. And what most people do is they think, okay, I want to travel, but I need money, so I'm going to focus on money and then I can travel. You're just putting too many steps between you and your goal. Like for me, if I want to enjoy myself, meet awesome people, yeah, I could work really hard and become an investment banker and try and get in with the executives and all this bullshit. But I don't need to do that. Instead, I can just find the places where they hang out, go meet them at those places, do whatever else I want to do that will supplement that. Probably sales, probably some form of communication job, and I'll have my way of meeting people.